Who's down for a sketch in a moving car? So had to go to work, but luckily someone was driving me, so I got the old sketchbook and a 6B pencil. And sketching in a moving car, you really gotta, understand or identify a scene and then just hurry up and sketch it. There's not a lot of time to be looking back at the reference. And so I tried several sketches, and this one was maybe my favorite, but then I thought, let me just do a review since we managed to get 3 sketches in a moving car. And there's 1, 2, and 3. And then the driver said, hey, why don't you sketch those clouds? Because they look so awesome. And then so I tried to sketch the clouds. And the clouds were a little bit better of a model. They sat around for at least a minute before looking completely different. And so I did the clouds, lots of fun sketching a moving car.